Part 16. But the last part of the Iron Master did not feel him good. Why? The Iron Master invited him to his home, which attracted him in the beginning. He thought that if I go to his house, I might get a very good treatment. But very soon he realized that there is no such real things in this invitation, because now he thinks he is his old acquaintance, because he is in the dark. When he would come to light, everything will be clear. Then he might be put into trouble. This Iron Master is an old army man. He might know the legal authorities, and if he would complain, he might be in problem. So many things are there, he thought. To go along up to the manor house and be received by the owner like an old regimental comrade, that however did not please the tramp. It would be quite risky. No, I couldn't think of it, he said, looking quite alarmed. No, I should not take extra risk. If I would get some money over here, that's fine. Otherwise, no. No risk. Why should I take risk? He thought of the 30 kroner. To go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away as inconspicuously as possible. He hasn't come here to disturb anyone, or neither he has any bad intention. He has come here to sleep. That's very fine. He has got. Why should I be tempted? Actually, everybody has need, and God has given us that power to mitigate our need. But today, in the materialistic world, we forget these things. When our greed becomes our need, then we are at loss. He thought of the 30 kroner. To go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away as inconspicuously as possible without disturbing anyone. The Iron Master assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. He understood there is a clear distinction between them. Iron Master is coming from the higher authority, higher society. And this man, this peddler, he is coming from the downward society. He is from the have-nots, and he is from the haves. So there is a clearly class distinction between them. So this man might be quite ashamed of that. Please don't think that I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there, he said. No. Please, my old comrade, don't think that I'm too rich a people to be reached by you. He said, Elizabeth is dead, as you may already have heard. Elizabeth, Iron Master's wife. He told that you might have heard that my wife is dead. My boy is abroad, and there is no one at the home except my oldest daughter and myself. We two are here, me and my daughter. We are just saying that it was too bad we didn't have any company for Christmas. Now come along with me and help us make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. He quit.